Let's meet Felix and Tanya's family. Wife. Tanya is the wife. Husband. Felix is a husband. They are spouses. Spouse, spouses, husband, wife. Wife, husband, spouse, spouses. Spouses, husband, males or masculine. Wife, females or feminine. Spouse, gender neutral. Mother, father, parent, parents. Mother, father, parent, parents. Sister, brother. Sibling, siblings. Sister, brother, sibling, siblings. Here we see a family tree, father, mother, and their children, son, daughter, daughter. One daughter, Tanya, has a husband, Felix. Family, husband, wife, spouse, parents, son, daughter, sister, brother. Grandfather, grandmother. Tanya's sister has 2 children. She has a son and a daughter. Tanya is an aunt. Felix is an uncle. So is Tanya's brother. He is an uncle. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, mother, aunt, uncle, son, daughter. Grandmother, grandfather, grandparent, grandparents. Granddaughter, grandson, grandchild, grandchildren. Niece, nephew, uncle, aunt. The masculine family names are father, son, brother, grandfather, grandson, uncle, nephew, husband. These are all he, masculine. The feminine are mother, daughter, sister, grandmother, granddaughter, aunt, niece, wife, she. These are all feminine. Neutral, parent, grandparent, sibling, spouse, cousin. It, you, we, they, I are all neutral. Cultural note. Language changes, and currently in the United States we're discussing gender and what gender means. So before you say he, she, you might need to ask a person, will this be how it is in the future? I don't know. But for now, be respectful and ask first. Let's invite the family to a party. But before that, we have to pick a date. This is a calendar. Day. Week. Days of the week in English are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are weekdays. These are part of the weekend. Calendar. Day. Week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Weekdays. Weekend. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What day is this? This is a Thursday, November 15th. What day is this? This is a Monday, May 21st. What day is this? Correct. This is a Saturday, December 8th. What day is this? July 4th. Now that we have looked at dates, we need to pick a time. Mornings are AMs. Afternoon is PM. This is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5:30, 6:30, 7:45, 8:45, 9:10, 10:10, 11:15, 12:15, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5:30, 6:30, 7:45, 8:45, 9:10, 10:10, 11:15, 12:15. Morning or afternoon? 5 a.m. is the morning. 7:15 p.m. afternoon. 8:30 a.m. morning. 9:10 a.m. morning. 6:45 p.m. afternoon. 6:11 p.m. afternoon. This is an invitation. Who is invited? What day of the week is it? What is the date? What is the time? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Morning, afternoon, party, invitation, date, time, day, calendar, week, weekend, weekday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Morning, afternoon, party, invitation, date, time, day, calendar, week, weekend, weekdays. Hello, what is your name? There are many different ways of greeting each other in English. Let's look at a couple.
Hello.
Good morning.
Are you Miss Bookworm? I'm supposed to meet Miss Bookworm.
Yes, I am. What is your name?
My name is Lois Lane. It is nice to meet you, Miss Bookworm.
It is nice to meet you too, Lois.
There is also an informal way to greet someone. Let's watch.
Hi.
Hello.
This is a nice library.
Yes, it is.
We can also greet each other by waving our hands. When you have to fill out forms for doctors or other places, sometimes you will see an M, an S, and a D. M stands for married, S stands for single, and D stands for divorced. Married. Tanya and Felix are married to each other. They are both spouses. Single. Tanya's brother is single. He is not married. Divorced. Tanya's sister is divorced. She was married and is not married anymore. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Cultural note. Sometimes boyfriend-girlfriend can mean a very serious, committed relationship, and sometimes it is the start of a relationship. It is what two people are when they are not married, but they are still in a relationship. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Are you married? Yes, I am. Are you married? No, I am single. Are you married? No, I am divorced. Negatives. He is not divorced. They are not married. He isn't divorced. They aren't married. In English, a lot of times we will go "nt" at the end of a verb to show the negative. Instead of they are not, we would say they aren't. "Nt." He is not divorced. They are not married. He isn't divorced. They aren't married. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't.